We stock the most commonly used colors by home builders. Here's some resources available to you to help you confirm the correct color with your customer. All our standard colors use color reference numbers from the RAL K7 Classic Color Book. You can order a swatch kit from us that includes all of our stocking colors. We do recommend you purchase a track of each color to have on hand to help your customer visualize and compare the color. It's important you are diligent in making sure the color selected is approved by your customer. Keep in mind that older homes may have variances in color due to sun fading from different directions. You will need to make sure your customer is aware of these color discrepancies and has accepted and confirmed the color before you order materials and begin the project. One great tip we'd recommend is to let your customers borrow their chosen 4-foot track color for a day and run outside and see how it looks at different times during the day compared to their house. If there is a need for a custom color, please reach out to our sales team for assistance. Custom colors will have a longer lead time and a different cost.